Rebecca Schofstall with Digital Thinker. Today I would like to review the differences between user-defined fields and custom fields in Hexagon EAM. In Hexagon EAM, fields are used to capture information related to a record. For example, a work order has a description, equipment, date created, and even a status. But often, information pertinent to an organization or industry needs to be stored and/or captured in Hexagon EAM. This can be accomplished by utilizing user-defined fields and custom fields. Let's start by reviewing user-defined fields. Here I have Screen Designer open on the work order screen. If I scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice there is a section that stores the user-defined fields. User-defined fields can be customized, meaning the fields can be relabeled and moved to different sections on the screen. This allows the system to be tailored to capture data or information relevant to your business. You'll notice that there are various types of user-defined fields. There's character fields, date fields, number fields, and even checkboxes, buttons, and note fields. While user-defined fields are limited to what Hexagon provides, the data is stored in the associated tables. So if we were to utilize user-defined fields for work orders, in this example, the data would be stored in the R5 events table. Now, if we talk about custom fields are set up by a system administrator on the custom fields screen. Here we have a comprehensive listing of all of the custom fields. Custom fields can be associated with an entity on the Associate Custom Fields screen. Perhaps additional asset attributes need to be tracked for certain asset classes. Custom fields can be set up to capture this information, and if the attributes are only relevant for certain asset classes, the custom fields can be set up to only display for those classes. So if I go to the asset screen, here I have an asset associated with my HVAC class, so I should see a custom field for my HVAC system. If a custom field is class specific, the field will display in the custom field section. If a custom field should always display, it can be associated with the star class and the star class org and moved from the custom field section to other sections on the screen. Whereas user-defined fields are stored in the relevant tables, such as R5 events for work orders, custom fields are unlimited and stored in the R5 property values table. Now, a couple of other things to be mindful of is when running some base EAM reports. So let's look at the print PO report. You'll want to be mindful of the options to include user-defined fields and include custom fields. Also, when working with data spies, we hop back over to the asset screen, user-defined fields will display in the list just like native fields, whereas custom fields are accessible at the bottom of the field list by clicking Click Here. While this video highlights the differences between user-defined fields and custom fields in Hexagon EAM, the Digital Thinker team is available to guide you through your options. Please reach out if we may be of assistance and subscribe to be alerted of future videos. Have a great day!